So, Windows 10 has officially lost support as of today, October 14th. Microsoft no longer receives free software updates from Windows Update, or technical assistance, or security fixes for that matter. So, like your grandma's Windows 10 PC, will not work. But today, let's do a throwback. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing, as you heard in the intro, we're going to be installing Windows 10 for the final time. So, I'm just going to do this without further ado. Let's go ahead and get the installation started, because since it's the last day, of course we got to boot from Windows 10 CD first. But since Windows 10 has lost support, you cannot get any more software updates, technical updates, or technical support from the Microsoft team, or any security patches. Like for example, you get a virus. Well, it's not Microsoft's problem anymore. So that's the only thing you have to be careful about if you're using Windows 10 without security patches, that we get into later. So we're here now, so we're gonna click next, and then the install, and then setup will start. So yeah, so the extended security patch. So the extended security patch basically you'll get one more year of security patches with a Microsoft account, basically. And it's just easier, so then you can stay on Windows 10, but you don't need all the whatchamacallit stuff. You don't have to be deadly to viruses, I should say. Yeah, deadly to viruses. So yeah, we're here now, so we're going to accept terms, custom, and it's time for time lapse. Okay, we are here in the Windows 10 setup. I almost said 11 there. I'm so used to 11. And so yeah, we're just gonna set this up like normal. And yeah, let's just set this up. And just like that, Windows 10 is installed. Now, if you realize that the mic's a little different now, I may have realized that my microphone has not been working this whole time. So that's fun. Anyways, now we're going to compare stock Windows 10 to stock Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with that. Okay, we're going to start off with desktop wallpapers. And as you can see, here's Windows 10's. It looks nice. It has the Windows 10 logo. It's all bluish, basically, what the operating system's about. Windows 11, I mean, it's nice, but I don't necessarily love it. So, that point, we'll go to Windows 10. Next up will be the start menus. So, Windows 10, it has, you just see the nice little scroll bar of all your apps, and then shortcuts if you want over here, and then right over here we have the application stuff like the power button, settings if you want to go there, pictures, documents, and your user account. And then to get your user, and then switch users, you click on it and then it pop up with the icon. So right here is change account settings to lock and sign out. Well, over in Windows 11, it looks a little more simplified, okay? But the one thing I can't understand is this recommended. This part always annoys me. But then the all apps is here, which I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like. Windows 11's better, and also the switcher down here is a lot nicer than it was before, even though there's just one button that says sign out. You guys click Windows L though now to lock it. But yeah, I think for this one, Windows 11 will get the point for this category. Well, on to the next. Okay, and next up will be the settings apps. So, first of all, we're going to start off with this settings app, and I actually think it looks kind of nice. Looks nicer than some of the other ones I've seen. So like you have your user account up here, and then over here it gives you just basically add, Windows Update, add. Then it's all nicely organized into these categories, even though some of them are very annoying categories. So yeah, that's that. But now if we go to Windows 11, it's a little nicer. Still gives you add here. Otherwise, I actually like this one a lot better. Like, the system actually has stuff useful. Everything is nicely organized. And then, if you could look from here, in the tabs from here, in Windows 10, you realize there's actually no phone tab, because the phone tab is under the Bluetooth and devices. And it pops up here then. So, yeah, kind of obvious, I'm giving Windows 11 that point. Well, on to our final category. Okay, our final thing, as you can see, is the icons of basically just the folders, which basically has all the icons built in. So in my mind, these icons actually look a little bit Windows 10-esque, which, I mean, I get. But at the same time, they look kind of old, because like, if you look at some of these, let's say for example, this one. This icon looks very old, along with, that actually is new, so, this one's a little old, that one's a little old, it looks like. Some of these are just like very old, like that one, that one, MSN, that doesn't exist anymore. This one, I think that's still from Windows XP. Yeah, some of these icons are just very old. They're not really modern icons. So, yeah, that's Windows 10's icons pack for the folders. So, if we go to Windows 11, you see, they actually updated these icons, and they actually look a lot more modern and more Windows 11-esque. They updated some of them, because, yeah, some of them are still here, along with the invisible folders. But yeah, I think, you know what, I'm not gonna lie, I think Windows 10 deserves the point just for the nostalgia trip. So that's that. And then we have bonus points. So in my mind, I think the bonus point goes to Windows 11. It's, I mean, I get it, but at the same time, yeah. So yeah. So yeah, Windows 11 is our winner. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.